Welcome back to Boost Wanted. Today we are taking out some of this sun fade and sun damage. Control, ultimate compound. Next up, polish. Meguiar's cleaner wax. Wax. Just a nice good amount of compound. And I'll start off with a circular motion. Should have pushed that down a little bit more. Now the bottom half of the fender doesn't look too bad, and I'll hit that later, but I'm mostly focused on the top. After a few circles, I like to switch up to back and forth. Go up and down a few times, back and forth. I've also noticed that the faster you apply it, the better the result turns out. Oh, now we're gonna apply a second coat to the polish and the wax. As you rub it in, switch to the dry side, and really 2 coats, 3 coats of compound. But compared to the control, looks much better already. If you are satisfied with the look, you can go to the polish, but if not, you can always apply 1 or 2 more coats of the compound to really bring out the shine. Now that I'm somewhat satisfied with the look of the compound, I'll go ahead and apply the polish. Always shake it up. Same with the compound, I like to start off with a circular motion before switching up to the back and forth, side to side and up and down motion. Now with the polish, you really want to keep it kind of wet. Compound only, and the compound and polish. It's looking pretty good. Next step will be to polish this side and then apply wax. I'll go ahead and polish that one more time and see how it turns out. Since I was not satisfied about this little spot over here, apply the compound. Much better. Put some more polish on the polish and the wax, and then wax the wax. Pretty quick. And I'm just gonna repolish both of them. apply some wax. A bit too much on this side, but nice thin coat of wax. Let it dry. It's my most favorite part. Three great products. You got your Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Takes out most of the scratches. Polish. Takes out all the fine scratches. Cleaner's wax. So if we look at the control looks pretty bad. A lot of sun fade, a lot of damage to the clear coat. The Meguiar's Ultimate Rubbing Compound takes most of the oxidation and sun damage right off, as you can see in the picture, before and after. Same with this, before and after. Move on to the Ultimate Polish. Takes out all the fine little scratches that you cannot get with the compound. And then to finish it off, you got the Meguiar's Cleaner Wax. It's a good price. It's not their best, but I have good experience with it and it works great for me. A nice coat of wax. Nothing can stick to it. Nice and smooth. Polish is still a little bit smudgy. Compound as well. The control is definitely bad.